Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. You are watching a 4-star hotel. In this hotel, 4 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this hotel, you can go to agoda.com. Check-in time in this hotel is 12 p.m. and check-out time of this hotel is 12 p.m. If you have checked out from this hotel, please share experience in the comment box. For booking or get more details about this hotel, please go to link in description. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video and meet again in a new video with a new hotel.